You've cut down on snacks. You've tried skipping meals. You've even pushed yourself to exercise. But the belly fat just won't go away. Here's the surprising truth. Stubborn fat around your waistline is not just about calories in versus calories out. It has everything to do with your metabolism, your digestion, and what your body is doing while you're asleep. And here's the good news. There's a simple drink. It's made with just a few natural ingredients that can help your body burn fat while you sleep. In this video, I'll show you exactly what it is, how to make it in less than 2 minutes, and why it's so effective. So stay tuned, because this may become your new nightly habit. Belly fat is more than just something we don't like in the mirror. It's connected to slow metabolism, poor digestion, bloating, and even increased health risks like diabetes and heart disease. And the reason it's so stubborn is because fat stored in your abdominal area behaves differently than fat in other parts of your body. It doesn't burn off easily. But your body is also designed to repair itself at night. When you sleep, your metabolism resets, your digestive system rests, and your fat-burning hormones work quietly in the background. The trick is to give your body the right push before bed. And that S, where this drink comes in. Imagine this. While you're resting peacefully, your body is gently flushing out toxins, breaking down stored fat, and improving digestion, all because of what you drank 20 minutes before bed. The recipe I'm about to share has been used for centuries in natural medicine. It's safe, inexpensive, and surprisingly effective. The best part? Probably already have the ingredients in your kitchen. You only need 3 things: warm water, fresh lemon juice, and a pinch of cinnamon. That's it. It's no expensive supplements, no magic pills, just 3 natural ingredients that, when combined, create a powerful fat-burning mix. Lemon juice is one of the most popular natural detoxifiers. It's rich in vitamin C, which helps your body burn fat more efficiently. But more importantly, lemon stimulates digestion. It encourages your stomach to produce bile, which breaks down food more effectively and prevents it from turning into stored fat. Drinking lemon water before bed also reduces bloating, so you'll wake up feeling lighter. Cinnamon is more than just a spice for desserts. It helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is one of the biggest keys to losing fat. If your blood sugar is unstable, your body holds on to fat. But when your blood sugar is balanced, your body is more willing to release stored fat and use it for energy. Cinnamon also reduces cravings, especially those late-night snack urges that add unnecessary calories. Warm water plays an important role too. Cold water can shock your system and slow digestion, but warm water soothes your stomach and allows the lemon and cinnamon to work faster. It also improves circulation, which means better fat metabolism while you sleep. Here's the exact recipe. Heat 1 cup of water. Not boiling, just warm. Squeeze in the juice of half a fresh lemon. Add a small pinch of cinnamon powder. Stir well until it blends. Drink this about 20 minutes before going to bed. Now, let's talk about results. When people start drinking this nightly, they often notice changes in the first week. You may wake up feeling less bloated. Your stomach feels flatter. You have more energy in the morning because your body is digesting better and burning fat through the night. Stick with this routine for 2 weeks, and you'll likely notice your pants fitting looser around the waist. Over time, this small nightly habit can make a big difference, not just in your belly fat, but in your overall health. For best results, drink a full glass of plain water first thing in the morning to flush out what your body processed overnight. Avoid eating heavy meals right before bedtime, since that can interfere with fat burning. And most importantly, stay consistent. 1 drink won't magically melt fat, but building this into your routine is where the results really happen. Belly fat doesn't have to control your life. With just 3 ingredients and 2 minutes of preparation, you can give your body the boost it needs to burn fat while you sleep. So tonight, before you climb into bed, try this drink, and when you start seeing results, let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, subscribe to this channel for more simple health hacks that actually work. Your journey to a healthier, slimmer, you could start with something as small as 1 glass of water.